Good morning, students. I hope you're doing well. This morning, we'd like to do a tutorial on the electric guitar. If you remember our music video number 11, Sir Myron explained about the acoustic guitar. I have one right here, the acoustic guitar, and this one is my electric guitar. Well, the difference between the acoustic guitar and the electric guitar is quite minimal. The only difference with the acoustic guitar is the body is a little bigger as compared to my electric guitar. You will see it has a thinner body, and also the sound is very different. The acoustic guitar sounds a little like something like this, whereas the electric guitar would sound something like this. Alright? Also, my acoustic guitar is not amplified, nor is it connected to any sort of equipment, whereas my electric guitar is connected to my speakers. So to play an electric guitar, you need to have some sort of electronic device for it to be connected and for you to play the electric guitar. Right here, you will see 3 pickups. These are the 3 most important things in the electric guitar that help amplify the sound. So I'm just going to play a little bit. So this is what it sounds, the electric guitar when it's amplified. And right here I have a switch which helps me choose which pickup I want. So right now I'm on switch 1. Switch 2 is this pickup and this one, which is your first and the second pickup. Switch 3 is only my second pickup. Switch 4 is my second and my third pickup, which is my bridge pickup. And switch 5 is only my bridge pickup. Alright, so this is what you can do in an electric guitar. Everything else is pretty much the same. I have a headstock, I have a tuning pegs, I have 6 strings just like an acoustic guitar. This is my fretboard along with my frets. This is the body of the guitar. The only thing missing is the sound hole which is there in an acoustic guitar. Alright, this is my volume control and this is the tone of the guitar, and this is where the wire that I connect to my guitar which helps me amplify the sound of the guitar. I hope you've understood everything about the electric guitar. I'm going to do a short demo on a very popular song, and I'm going to use my electric guitar and I'm going to play this song for you.